Throughout Alberta's history, immigrants have made important contributions to the social and economic development of the province, making an impact on the lives of Albertans every day. Did you know that approximately 23% of Alberta's population are immigrants? Or that almost 1 in 5 Alberta immigrants are job creators or entrepreneurs that create jobs and contribute to our strong economy? Alberta immigrants are healthcare providers. Alberta immigrants are educators. Alberta immigrants are innovators. Alberta immigrants are builders. Alberta immigrants are our communities. The Alberta Immigrant Impact Awards recognize individuals who have enriched the province through volunteer activities, leadership, innovation, business, or academic and professional achievements. How will you make an impact?